Thanks for tuning in again. Just getting back to one of my regular style of videos. Just a bit of an update. I'm working on a 3.2 litre engine and I'm still waiting on things like connecting rods and whatnot to come back from the machine shop. They closed just before Christmas and they didn't get everything done that I needed, so I've had to wait and I'm still waiting, but hopefully it'll be here soon. But to give you an update, it's a 3.2, it's a completely stock rebuild, and what I've done is I've had the case resized, so all my main journal bearing clearances are perfect for the crankshaft. The crankshaft has been balanced, polished, checked for straightness, etc, etc. And I've got all my bearings in. I've got a new gear on the intermediate shaft, which you can't really see in there, but again, I've checked my clearances and it's well within spec now, and of course the proof is that it turns nice and freely. So as you can see, nice and simple, nice and easy. All right, well that's all I've got for you at the moment. Hopefully there'll be a bit more information about this build. I'm going to try and video as much of the assembly as I can, and yeah, thanks for watching.